Yeah. Oh yeah. Bueno. Aquí estamos obreando. Got the homie Germán, the homie Raúl. Here's the jale. We're gonna do a ductless mini split. Inside, Germán closed off a room. There's no AC going there, so we're gonna place it right here on the other side of the wall. The condenser here, and we have electrical. So we're gonna run electrical, and should be good. Make sure just check your unit to see what amperage it needs. And then you're gonna need to know some electrical, a little bit of plumbing for the copper lines, and a little how-to on also a little bit of construction too, because you'll have to drill a hole. We'll show you that. Let's get going. All right, check it out. Here's what we got. We got the head unit, and this is really simple, and we'll may or may not show you, but there's that bracket. You put that on the wall, and then that sits on this. This thing probably weighs like 10 pounds. This goes outside. All right. Here's the control panel. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you run your line to 1, 2, 3, 4. As easy as that. And then they provide the wires. And they were nice enough to label them. All right. And there's another power cable, and this one's for power. And then you have your 2 hot and ground colors. This unit's from Mexico, so you're gonna have to step up your game and learn how to read in Spanish. Down here in the southwest, we have well, the Nogales border, so we can go down there, pick up a unit. It's all legit. You just have to know how to read Spanish, and you're good to go, and you get a deal on it. And then so other than that, there's the 2 copper lines. You connect them there. If you're a professional, you'll bleed those lines before you let out the gas. We're not professionals, so we're gonna let it ride like that. Usually should be all right. I'll show you more. And then just make sure you don't kink these. You got to be very careful with these copper lines. All right, electrical time. Electricians, go ahead and give me crap if you want. Here we go. So this is a 220 unit. I'm gonna grab a slot right here, and it'll be just like this one. It'll be 2 hot lines and a ground. I'm gonna punch out a hole over here, bring it down, boom, boom, done. Yeah, we're gonna put the unit somewhere here, and then inside is gonna be right there. Bust a 3-inch hole, and then run the lines down. Shit, check out my bends right here. So I got that. If it's all right, I don't know if that's like code, like if it should be touching or not, I don't know. So I got those bends. Got the bender right there. So, all right, here we go. All right, there's our 2 hot and ground. Okay, check it out. Got the breaker, got the wire, got the bends. I have that piece and that left over, so I just did that. I'm gonna put the box right here, the junction box, and there's that pretty hole right there that we punched out. And then we're gonna run the copper out, the lines out, and the power out. Ahí va para el tic-tac, All right, so we pushed everything in from the outside. You have your power and the communication lines, the condensation line, and the 2 copper lines. So you got to get them all pretty connected, ran. I'll show you that right now. All right, we got it all roughed in, got it connected, got them connected here, I know. This is not how you do stuff, but whatever. We got that. So you have to check the connections. So there's connections here, and then there's the lines, and then there's another joint in there. So you have to spray them with soapy water to make sure that that there's no leaks. And if you're legit, you know, you call an HVAC person and they're gonna put the proper amount of pressure. They'll take some Freon out or put some on depending on the system, and they would bleed the system. We're not doing that. So, but anyways, you can get up and running like this. So this is a how not to do things. So I'm gonna open up the valve for to release the Freon, and then I'm gonna turn on the breaker. We'll see. So vaya con Dios. Hopefully this turns on. So you take these off. Hear that? Yeah, I don't know if you're supposed to open up one and then the other. So that's that. Let's see here. This is mine right here. 2 hots. Herman. Herman. Alright, I'm going inside. No sé. Alright, it's going nice, so they're gonna be happy. It turned on. We're good. We're out. Alright, that's it, guys. Finished up right here. Unit is up and running. It's not a high-end job, you know, but we got it done for the customer with the budget that we were allowed. And yeah, so it's just electrical and then the plumbing, and there it is. So that's how not to do a mini split. Thank you for following and subscribing. Hope you guys like the vids.